Hello everyone. Today we will discuss multiple choice questions from first chapter of class 12th history NCERT part 1. Topic of today's question is craft production and trade relations of Harappan civilization. But before starting today's question, let's see what is the right answer of the practice question asked in the previous episode. And the practice question was, who is considered as the father of Indian archaeology? Options are A. R.E.M. Wheeler, B. John Marshall, C. Ernest Mackay, and D. Alexander Cunningham. Here the correct answer is Alexander Cunningham. Let's see its explanation. Alexander Cunningham was a British Army officer, archaeologist, and founder of the Archaeological Survey of India in 1861. He had keen interest in Indian history, monuments, and inscriptions. Cunningham excavated many sites in India like Sanchi and Sarnath. He also collected, documented, and translated inscriptions found during his surveys. Now, let's start with the MCQs of today's topic, craft production and trade relations of Harappan civilization. And the first question is, a large Harappan jar coated with a thick layer of black clay was found at which of the following site? Options are A. Bahrain, B. Oman, C. Mesopotamia, and D. None of the above. Here correct answer is option B. Oman. Let's understand why Oman is right answer of this question. A distinctive type of vessel, a large Harappan jar coated with a thick layer of black clay, was found at Omani sites. Here you can see an image of black clay coated with Harappan jar that is found at Oman. Chemical analysis have shown that the Omani copper and Harappan artifacts have traces of nickel, suggesting a common origin. Mesopotamian texts mention contact with regions named Dilmun, Magan, and Meluha. Here in this map, you can see the location of Oman. Question number 2. Which of the following place of Harappan civilization was exclusively devoted to the craft production? Options are A. Mohenjo-daro, B. Kalibanga, C. Chenhudaro, and D. Banauli. And option C, Chenhudaro, is the correct answer of this question. Let's see its explanation. Chenhudaro was almost exclusively devoted to the craft production, including bead making, shell cutting, metal working, seal making, and weight making. In this map, you can see the location of Chenhudaro that is in present Pakistan and this image of a string of beads. Question number 3. Which of the following term is used in Mesopotamian text to mention contact with the Harappan region? Options are A. Meluha, B. Magan, C. Dilmun, and D. None of the above. Here correct answer is option A. Meluha. Let's see why Meluha is correct answer of this question. Mesopotamian texts mention contact with different regions. Term Meluha was possibly used for the Harappan region. Mesopotamian texts refer to the Meluha as land of seafarers. Probably Dilmun was the island of Bahrain and Magan was Oman. Here Mesopotamia is related with the present day Iraq. In this map, you can notice position of Meluha, Magan, Dilmun, and Mesopotamia. Question number 4. Identify the correct match of the followings. A. Shortughai, gold, B. Khetri, copper, C. Lothal, lapis lazuli, and D. Karnataka, carnelian. Here option B, Khetri, copper, is correct answer of this question. Let's see its explanation. Khetri region of Rajasthan was rich source of copper. In the Khetri, there is evidence of the Ganeshwar Jodhpura culture with its distinctive non-Harappan pottery and an unusual wealth of copper objects. Shortughai in Afghanistan was near the best source of lapis lazuli, that is high valued blue stone. Lothal in Gujarat was near the source of carnelian, that is reddish orange colored stone. Here you can see images of carnelian and lapis lazuli stone. Question number 5. Identify which of the following is incorrect statement. A. Waste material is one of the best indicators of craft work. B. Nageshwar and Balakot settlements in coastal area were specialized centers of making shell. C. Specialized drills have been found at Mohenjo-daro and Lothal, and D. None of these. Here option C. Specialized drills have been found at Mohenjo-daro and Lothal is not correct. Let's see its explanation. Specialized drills have been found at Chanhudaro and Lothal and recently at Dholavira. Waste material is one of the best indicators for the identification of craft production center, Nageshwar and Balakot. Both settlements are near the coast where shell was available. These were a specialized center of making shell. Here you can see images of sea shells and Harappan shell artifact or homemade craft work. These are images of Harappan beads. So these were important MCQs with explanation of all given options. Hope this will be helpful for you to make better understanding of these topics and easier to solve any question related with these topics. Very soon I will be present with MCQs of another important topics, but before that let's have a curious look on today's practice question. And the question is, Mesopotamian text refers to Meluha as A. Land of rivers, B. Land of seafarers, C. Land of craft work, D. All of the above. I am sure it's easy to get the right answer of this question for you. So if you know the right answer of this question, write it in comments. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, goodbye. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.